Hello students, in the previous video we learned how to create a database, how to use a database and how we can see the list of existing database. Let's learn some more MySQL statements. MySQL statements or commands can be divided into four categories. First, data definition language. Second, data manipulation language. Third, data control or you can say transaction control language. And last is utility commands. Out of which we use statement and create statement. Using create statement we can create a database, and if we want to see the list of existing databases then we have to use show command. Select a database, we used use statement. Create table statement is used to create a table. The syntax is create table if not exist table name parenthesis start and column name parenthesis close. Using creating table statement you can create a table. Next, describe. Using describe command you can see the structure of the table created by you. You can run this command by using the statement describe table name, or you can run desc table name, or you can run explain table name. Insert statement allows you to insert one or more rows to the table. Using insert command we can add a new record into the table. The syntax is insert into table name, values, bracket start, value 1, value 2, value 3 and so on. After inserting the records, you can see the records of the table using select statement. Using select statement we can display all the records from the table using asterisk symbol. But if we want to display some specific columns then we have to write select the column name from table name. And where clause. Using where clause it enables you to select a particular rows which matches its conditions or search criteria. Select star from employee where condition. Let's understand these commands by doing practical. So let's go to our MySQL prompt. Here I run the statement create database and database name is Rishikulians or Rishikul students, whatever you like. Using this statement we can create our database. Okay, now query is okay. Next statement is show databases. Show databases command will display the list of existing databases. From here you can select the database. So our database name is Rishikulian. So using use command we can select our database, use Rishikulians. Now I want to create a table in the database Rishikulian. So the command is create table, table name is student, parenthesis start, first column is roll number, int for integer, this is the data type of the column roll number and the size is 2. Second column is name, the data type is variable characters, the size is 10. And third column I want here address, data type is varchar and the size is 15. Now here I want to close my table, so just close the parenthesis and mark the semicolon and run the query. So now query is okay. Using describe student or describe command we can display the structure of the table. It will show you the structure of the table. Field means columns and type means data types. You can run also desc student rather than describe, or you can use explain student. All these three commands will display the structure of the table. Next statement is insert into student values, bracket start, roll number 1, name Amit using single quotes, address is Sonipat using single quotes and mark the semicolon. So using insert command we can add our records into the table, and insert command is used to add a new record. So one by one you can add the record into the tables. You can also use single quotes or double quotes, whatever you like, with insert command. So it will add a new record into your table. Using select statement, we can display the list of the records. So I run the statement select star from student. It will display the complete record of the table. But if we want to display specific columns, then we have to write select roll number, means column name 1, column name 2 from table name. So it will display the columns roll number and name from the table student. And using exit, you can terminate from the MySQL prompt.